everyone! In this video, I'm reviewing the wireless bridge from the NGTeco brand. Since it's a paired product, I will ask my colleague to bring me the other one. Thank you. So, let's get to the unboxing. On the box, it's written Indoor-Outdoor Wireless CPE, meaning it's certainly suitable for outdoor use since it's IP65 rated. It mentions long range because it supports network transmission up to 5 kilometers and high speed as it supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the user manual. The model name of this product is CPE820. We have 2 hose clamps, and beneath this cardboard, we find 2 network cables. Inside the plastic wrapping, we have the wireless bridge itself, which has a mounting base at the back with 2 screw holes. There is the letter B on the mounting base, which can help us distinguish between the master and transmitter bridge later. A few LEDs to indicate signal strengths. To access the ports, we need to open this compartment. I will explain these ports in detail later. The second wireless bridge is essentially identical, only with the A letter. Inside this box, we also find an adapter with 2 ports labeled PoE and LAN. The second box is the same. Now let's move on to the setup and how to work with them. Since we only have 2 bridges, one will serve as the master or transmitter and the other as the auxiliary or receiver. Depending on where you plan to install the bridges and the distance from the power outlet or router, you'll need 2 Cat5 or above network cables of appropriate lengths, in addition to the cables included in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the ports on the bridge. From the left, we have the reset button, followed by the first PoE LAN port that supports data transfer speeds up to 100 megabit per second. Further along, there's the second LAN PoE port that supports data transfer speeds up to 1000 megabit per second or 1 gigabit. In the middle, there's a digital tube display with an AB button beneath it. Finally, on the far right, there's the 12-volt DC port, which provides additional flexibility by allowing the unit to be powered by sources like a solar panel.